Welcome to JH. Have you ever spotted a YouTube video labeled Members Only? It's intriguing because these clips aren't available for just anyone to watch. There is exclusive content happening behind the scenes. Occasionally, you will see a Join button on a specific channel. While not every creator uses this feature, clicking it opens up new possibilities. You might find a list of membership tiers, often involving a small monthly subscription. Those who choose this path gain access to videos that were previously hidden, specifically those mysterious members-only uploads. Of course, not everyone decides to click that button, and many viewers stick to standard public uploads. However, members often get additional tabs to explore. If you aren't seeing the community posts, behind-the-scenes footage, or certain live stream replays that others are discussing, it might be a matter of your settings or simply timing. Essentially, YouTube offers different levels of access. Some content is readily available, while other parts require you to know where to look or become part of a specific community.